Hi, I'm John Linton, Lexmark's Retail and Manufacturing Industry Director, and welcome to this week's Retail and Manufacturing Roundup. This week I'm here to talk to you about the Lexmark Training and Certification solution for manufacturing. Manufacturers have unique employee training needs. While most organizations use web-based training for office workers, paper-based training is still common for production and field workers. Whether OSHA-mandated safety training, production line training, equipment certification, or onboarding new employees, manufacturers face unique training challenges. We've seen as many as 26 certifications per year per employee. We created Lexmark Training and Certification for manufacturing to automate time-sensitive and error-prone paper-based training. This solution saves manufacturers time and money and increases accuracy. This cloud-based solution allows you to electronically create, distribute, and grade tests. Here's how it works. Customized test forms are printed on-site at your Lexmark MFP, then completed tests are then scanned at the Lexmark MFP and automatically scored by the grading software. Test results are then automatically integrated directly into your HR or training system. We've made paper-based training that quick and simple. As a manufacturing leader ourselves, Lexmark understands your unique challenges. In fact, 70% of the top 50 global manufacturers use Lexmark solutions, so you can be sure our solutions will scale to meet your needs. To find out more about Lexmark Training and Certification for manufacturing, contact me directly via LinkedIn, talk to your Lexmark account manager, or visit us at lexmark.com/manufacturing. This is John Linton, and this has been the Retail and Manufacturing Roundup.